Okay, hi, hello guys. Today I'm going to make slime. Okay, I'm going to use some glue. I already put some glue. Okay, I'm going to add some glitter glue for my slime. Okay, I'm going to put my slime activator. Okay, I have my slime activator. I used some sunlight and some salt and some water, and I'm shaked all the time. Okay, I'm going to some I'm going to add some glue. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, we want to clean it well. It makes slime. Okay guys, we are clean slime. Okay, we can add some. Okay, we're going to add some salt. Okay guys, I'm going to put in the refrigerator for 1 minute, and I'm going to put in a small container. Okay guys, we have made slime. Okay, I have seen. Wow, what a good slime. Wow. Wow, what a glitter green slime. It's like very cute. I think you all love my slime. I also put some glitter, green glitter. You can see that. Green glitter. Okay guys, I think you can please subscribe our channel. Thank you, bye. See you soon.